bài này nhé. điện là lo mò thì sống mình không cho tầm mò bị tầm để cho mình đểkin free say đây thì về cho khó dân trai đây đồ biết
Wow! Who's your favorite?
เอาเนาะ Number 9ဖြစ်ပါတယ်
What is your favorite word in your language and what significance does it have in your life?
My favorite word in my language is Topa, which means Jesus. Jesus has every significance in my life. He's been there in my highs and lows. He's my leader, my guider, my protector, my provider, and my healer. Without him, I would not be here today or have this opportunity to do this. Thank you.
Thank you Number 8
What are characteristics that a great leader should have? Why or why not?
Could you repeat it, please?
What are characteristics that a great leader should have? Why or why not?
I think characteristics that leaders should have, they should embody being tough. They need to, they need to be tough. They need to be smart. They need to know how to lead people because they're leaders. That's it.
Number 6.
How can we help with the war that is going on in our home country, Burma?
First of all, I think in order to help them, we have to give them all our prayers that we have for them, gather together and pray for our families and our country. And second, I think we should be able to do fundraiser, raise money for our countries, and help whoever is in need.
Number 7.
Is the US a good country for our teen youth to live? Why or why not?
I believe living in the U.S. is a double-edged sword. It could be both bad and good, but I think our parents came to this country because, there's plenty of opportunities for us, and we need to take advantage of that. But obviously with some of our people doing bad stuff, becoming gangsters and stuff, I think that there are stuff like that happens, but that's going to happen in every country. So I still do believe that the U.S. is a good country.
Thank you. What do you think about marrying outside of your religion and culture as a teen youth?
As teen youth, marrying outside of culture and religion can bring different perspectives, but also new challenges. And I think that with mutual respect and clear communication for both sides, that a successful marriage is possible.
Thank you. What might be the main cause of family conflict in the US and how could they be resolved?
I think the main conflict in family in the U.S. is lack of communication because kids tend to be in their phone more often than they used to be. So the parent get mad and the kids just don't listen. And I think we can resolve this by having an active listening section and meditation and counseling section. Thank you.
When our friends peer pressure us into doing something bad, how would you respond?
I would kindly say no because true friends respect our choices and won't let us do anything we're not comfortable with. It's important to stay true to our values and do something that we won't regret later.
Thank you.
1.
What do you think is your weakness and how do you overcome it?
I think my weakness would be, frankly honest, I think overthinking a lot. I think to overcome overthinking, I think I should plan ahead of time and really focus on what's going to happen. And instead of overthinking, I think I should be more practical about it and be realistic in my planning so that I wouldn't overthink.
Thank you. Well, thank you to all the contestants. I think the judges are having a hard time. I see they got their phone out calculating all the scores. In the meantime, we would like to thank the Chin Community of Bowling Green for making this happen, and everybody that showed up here today, from our City Hall to all the community leaders. We appreciate your time and helping us celebrate our Chin National Day.
ခုလိုပဲကျွန်တော်တို့မျိုးမျိုးအကမျိုးမျိုးဖြောပြခြင်းမျိုးမျိုးကျွန်တော်တို့ရိုးရာအကတွေတင်ဆက်ခွင့်ရအောင်ဦးဆောင်ပေးတယ်ကျွန်တော်ချင်း community ခေါင်းဆောင်များပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့အပြင်မှာစားတောက်တွေရောင်းပေးတဲ့လူပြီးတော့လုံခြုံရေးတာဝန်ယူပေးတဲ့ CYO အဖွဲ့ပြီးတော့စားတောက်တွေရောင်းပေးတဲ့ ZYO အဖွဲ့အားလုံးကိုလည်းပဲအထူးပဲကျေးဇူးတင်တဲ့အကြောင်းကျွန်တော်တို့အနေနဲ့ပြောချင်ပါတယ်
Well, I'm going to announce the winner for the award. I'm going to invite the previous Mr. and Mrs. Nasu and Kaibi, and they will take it over from here.
Kuchimaro, Chanu, Paturi, Yablesura, Jonya, Bibuya, Chanu, Manika, Mr. and Mrs. Kanibiro, Usong, Pulu Toabima, Piabarik, yeah?
All right. What do y'all think of that? Can we give a round of applause one more time for all of the contestants? So now, sweetie, how do you think the fashion show went?
They were really good. I like all their outfits. It was really hard judging everyone because they were so good. But
there can only be one winner. And before we announce the Mr. and Mrs., we're first going to introduce the winners of the fashion show winners to represent Kentucky in the CYO. And today we're going to do two different awards. One award for the CYO representations and another award for the Chin National Day winners. Before we begin, should we start with the ladies or the men?
ladies.
Ladies first? All right. So, drum roll, please. Can we get some background music real quick? 2. You got it?
Okay. So, 2025 CYO fashion is Mong Pai.
Let's get with the men. So, to represent Kentucky in the 2025 CYO is nothing but BFD!
Congratulations to those two. They will be competing for us at CYO this July. Next awards we want to give out is Miss and Mr. CYO 2025.
So, before we introduce the winners of the Miss and Misters, how do y'all think they did? Did they do good? If they did good, make some noise. Who do y'all think won? Who do y'all think won for Misses? All right, let's first begin with the Misses. Before we introduce the Miss, we want to, give a round of applause one more time to all the Misters and Miss. Can we please make a round of applause? Now for the winners of Miss CYO for Southern Kentucky to represent Kentucky in the big CYO is no one else but Ruth.
To announce 2025 Mr. CYO, and it's Lian Lian. Thank you guys for having us.
We would like to invite ZOE President, Mr. David Bao. All right, who do you guys think is the winner for the fashion show? I'm nervous. Who do you guys think the winner is?